Hello, we are up. Spend the day with us. It is my off day today. I have a couple of things to do. As you can see, I just literally like rolled out of bed. The eyes are giving, you just woke up. There are a couple of things I need to do that I've been wanting to do, and I get to do all those things on days that I'm not working. So yeah, let's get cracking. Outside today, it's so lovely outside today. The sun, but I need to clear. Better. I need to. Soon as I wake up, my kiddo is taking a bath. The other one is somewhere here, so things just need to be cleared as the day goes. A lot needs to be done. But one thing at a time, and then only do what you can as well. Do what you can as a mom. Yes, Nana? You need help? Oh, go over the ad first. So guys, let's do a quick clear with me and then off to dump these in another place.
No, take it.
Good things to do. Yeah. Yeah. Started. Huh?
I'll do it.
Oh, you...
Mommy. No, I'll do it.
I'm getting a box. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Yes, Nana. There's some bugs. We still have a major problem with storage. Yes, Nana? Major problem with storage. Most houses here, they don't have like storage cabinets. So you have to buy everything. So in the lounge here, we have a table. And the table is like, yeah, we need to get like a bookshelf still. So Miss Unjin with the bucket. That will do. Okay. No snails or spiders on it. Okay, Fazine, let's go. Right now, and it needs a saving grace. It needs a savior. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is what the baby book looks like here in the UK. My personal child health record. They give you one of these red books It's got like a whole lot of information in there, where the child's weight is at and stuff like that. So I think I should put it in. I don't know how you content creators that do cleaning do it. Oh, I had to give up. Everything is done now. My kitchen is all done. My dining room is also all done. I haven't had anything to eat, and already, guys, it is 12:41. 12:41. So I'm gonna have something to eat real quick. But I made some beef chili con carne. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I made that with some rice and some veggies. So that's what I'm gonna have just as a quick brunch. Never ending laundry. Never ending laundry. Never ending laundry. Never ending laundry. Yes, Nana? I don't know. I think somebody's doing something. Oh, what was that?
Mommy,
Huh?
where's this one?
Was he?
Huh?
Did you see a spider?
Oh, no.
Oh. This is the biggest spider I've ever seen.
Oh,
Huh? There's a spider, a very big one.
no.
Okay, no. This is why I cannot move to Australia. Can't stay in Australia. I cannot deal with spiders, no matter if you paid me. It is now time for the school run. I'm on my way to go pick up my first son. He had a club, so usually schools finish around 3:15, but then he had a club until 4:15. So yeah, 4:30 now, so we're good. We're good. So it's just across the street. It's so awesome. What's up? Huh? Okay, how are you though? Oh, Buzzy, go! It is done! Guys, say hi! So I still have 3,000 steps to go before I complete my goal. I upped my steps from 5,000 to 6,000 yesterday, so hopefully it's gonna go well. So I think I'm gonna walk around for a little bit just around the neighborhood so I can be able to achieve my steps. I need to go pick up the car as well. So in the UK, I think every year the car has to go for a roadworthy test. I think it's everywhere, ne? So ours was submitted yesterday, and I think it's gonna be done today. So we're gonna go pick it up and then come back home and see what to eat. You can do it now?
Yes.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. These are really nice, aren't they? They're nice. There's a bee. Time to make food. But I'm exhausted. Alright, it's time to make dinner. Today we're gonna have a very simple dinner. I don't even want to stress myself, okay? Alright, so I'm going to make umbita. I'm also gonna make some chicken, and then I'm gonna make some pap. Okay, and we're gonna have it with a little stew. That's about it. So I'm gonna chop these up real quick and then do this very fast because I need to sit down. She is tired. Guys, dinner is done. Okay, it's a very simple chicken, whatever, gravy, and some greens. Thank you so much for spending this day with me. I am going to go and munch and then definitely settle down for the day because it is tired. Okay, I'll see you guys later.